Okay guys, I wanted to go over just a couple things with you about your supportive management strategies. That's the component of B4. It is due on Tuesday, so I wanted to go over a few things with you. Okay, so here's the rubric. It says that we want to minimize the occurrence of inappropriate behavior while supporting students as they learn appropriate social skills. So you're going to develop a plan for teaching appropriate social skills. And you will pick those skills. It won't be skills that I tell you to teach them. And then you'll develop a plan of how you will respond to violation of the rules. Now, the next few slides of this presentation, I go through examples of social skills that I would teach, how to teach those, and then the plan for how to respond to violations of those rules. But first, it's important to have a game plan, and this game plan is good not only for your supportive strategies for this part, but also for B5 as well. It stands for GAME is Go, Action, Monitor, and Modify and Evaluate. What do you want to do? What tool are you going to use to meet the goal? Is it working? And then did you reach the goal? Okay, so if I want to make friends, I can try to, and then here are three things: smile, compliment someone, sit and play with different kids at lunch or recess. These are behaviors 1, 2, and 3 to make friends. That's an example of a social skill to teach to an elementary student or middle or high school student, honestly. To make sure that I'm listening to the speaker, I can make eye contact with the person talking, listen to what they are saying, and think of a question that I can ask them when they are finished and write it down on a piece of paper. I'm going to go through these social skills and then I'm going to talk to you about a chart that I would make. So, to work on telling the truth, I can think. Would it be better if I told the truth? What will happen if someone finds out I lied? And will I feel okay that I lied? Number 2, start sentences with others by telling people that you don't want to lie and will tell them the truth. To improve how well I follow directions, I can listen to speakers by showing them my full body listening. Ask 3 before you ask me. Talk to the people around me, see what they are doing before I go and ask the teacher for help. Or number 3 is write down my assignments. To stay focused, I can use a graphic organizer to jot down my thoughts, and I can listen to the speaker and show them whole body listening. And here I have the components of what whole body listening would be. And the last example of teaching a social skill and supportive management strategies would be to make sure I complete my work on time. I will, 1, understand how much time I have to work. I will tell my friends, I love you, but I need to finish my work so we can talk at recess or lunch, okay? And that's just teaching them how to explain that to their friends, and then keep your head in the game by staying focused on your work. Now, I would develop a chart for my B4 that had the rules and procedures maybe in the left column, and then the replacement behaviors that you would accept in the right column. And for example, each of the rule or procedure or the skill that we just went through, the making friends, stay quiet while others are speaking, tell the truth, stay focused, following directions, completing work on time, that is the behavior. And then I listed 3 replacement behaviors that would teach how to do that. So I would accept 2 of the 3 of the replacement behaviors for the students. So I would make a little chart, a 2-column chart that had the rule or procedure and then the replacement behaviors listed, so that would be maybe at the top of your write-up. And then if they don't follow the rules, so if students decide not to follow one of the rules or try the strategies, we will have a one-on-one conference to talk about why you don't like to try these ideas. We can discuss what makes you successful, what being successful means to you. We can talk about ways to change our behavior because behavior doesn't affect just us, but it affects everyone around you. You have a lot of power in the choices you make, and that power is yours. How you spend that power and decide to make the choices is up to you. Other options are parent-teacher conferences along with parent-teacher-student conferences, and you can get notes on your weekly behavior report, which is sent to parents. And then if that still doesn't work, you can create a list of goals that we will tape to the top of your desk. And throughout the week, I want you to think about how you are reaching your goal or not reaching your goal, and then we will come up with strategies that you can use to accomplish what you want.